Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, it is Sunday, and it's coming to be the ending of our weekend, but that's okay because we have another weekend coming up. As a matter of fact, it's a short week for me next week, and because of Friday is observed for Christmas, and following week it's also a short week for me, which is a New Year's observation, right, on the 31st. So yeah, so that's going to be pretty good. Anyway, today what I want to do for you is, of course, open day 19, okay? I've been really good and not breaking in here because I'm dying to know what's in here. And then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and reveal the winner of the Erin Condren Beautiful Wildflower Journal and the sticker pack. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do today. But before we do any of that, we are going to do affirmations. But we won't do any of that until after the commercial break. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Anyway, so let's just jump in, shall we? And I'm going to go ahead and I've already grabbed my app, and I'm just going to go ahead and find something here. And here we go. All right. And there we go. That is our quote for the day. And it says, to find peace, you have to be willing to lose the connections with the people, places, and things that create all the noise in your life. To find peace, you have to be willing to lose the connection with the people, places, and things that create all the noise in your life. And I think this is pretty well known, right? Because one of the things that people are told, like people that are rehabbing maybe from substances, alcoholics and narcotics abusers. And one of the things that they're told early on in therapy is that you have to change your environment. You can't expect to succeed being in the same environment that got you in that position to begin with. And that is not just the location, but they're talking about, places, yes, but people and the situation. And so it is, definitely true. And it's scientifically been proven that, recidivism, which is returning to what, either jail or returning to your past life, is very high unless you relocate. And so, yeah, and this is most likely true for if you're not having a good life with people around you, they're not very positive and they're not a good influence. The opposite, they're a bad influence. So yeah, you need to change those things. And only thing you can do is you need to relocate and find new friends. And I know it's easier said than done. And a lot of people can't move and can't do all those things, but try to change as much as you can. And if it's social media that's actually fueling your anger or fueling your need to be negative, or it's making you negative, then stop it. And so it's a big step, actually. It's a huge step. And like I said, it's easier said than done because it's not like you can find a new home, a new job, and you're pretty well tied into where you are. And also, maybe there's good things about your community, right? So if that's the case, lean more towards that positive things. Look for the positivity and get rid of the negativity and the negative people and the negative places. And don't go to this club or go to this location where, the people that get you in trouble gather. So yeah, alrighty, yeah, pretty good, but yep, definitely the truth. Anyway, let's just jump into the by Terry calendar. As you know, today's day 19, and believe me, it's so hard for me not to just break into it. But the thing is, I do love surprises, but it's like, yeah, let's see what we have. And today it looks like there's another bottle of something, and let's see, what is it? Okay, and let me go ahead and, I have a little thing here. Here it is, right here. And this kind of looks like the other bottle thing that I got, right? But that was micellar water. But this is a bi-phase makeup remover Very interesting. Biphase makeup remover. Oh, I think I know why they say biphase. Because it's like, it's separated. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a line there. One part is like water and one part is like oil. Of course, oil will be on top, right? Because it's lightest and they float. And so, yeah, and you just mix it. Oh, very interesting. And look, it just kind of becomes cloudy, but it's very nice. Huh. I'm going to have to try that. And it is Baume de Rosé. So in other words, it's a rose type of thing. I'm not really big on, rose fragrances. I may go ahead and put this in a giveaway. Yeah, because it is, but let me see because it was kind of loose up top. But, oh, it is very strong in rose. But it looks like there's like a cap up top. So yeah. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, we'll see. But it does have a fragrance of rose. So yeah. Okay, well, that was day 19. That was quick. I really want to open the rest. What do you think? Should I? Should I? No. I'm going to make you guys wait. I know you're like, yes, she's going to do it. She can't stand it. She's going to open it. No. So anyway, that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and I already recorded the winner. So let's go into commercial break. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are. We are going to go ahead and pick the winner for the Erin Condren Beautiful Wildflower Journal in a sticker pack. And so let's see if I can adjust this a little bit. Okay, what I did was I have already entered the URL from the video, which was from the 14th. Then I did filter duplicate users so everybody gets a fair one chance try. And I filtered comments based on the specific text, which was sticker. And so let's go ahead and see how many people entered. Okay, there are only 22 unique comments. So, okay, let's see. And let's go ahead on over here. And if my mouse will move for me, and we're going to go ahead and pick the winner. Here we go. Melissa Lane. Love this box. The stickers are so cute. I would totally use all of these products too. Okay, Melissa, let's see. Congratulations, but before we make it official, we will go ahead and go to your channel and make sure that you are subscribed to me publicly. And so let's see. Here we go. Okay, and we're going to go all the way to the bottom. It looks like that's it. We are going to Command F. And as you notice, it says Modesty up here. Let me adjust that a little bit. I think it just kind of drooped. And there it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter. And here I am. And you are publicly subscribed to me. So great. That makes it official. Okay, Melissa, I will go ahead and give you the rules when we're back to our regular programming. Okay, congratulations, Melissa. Thank you so much for entering and commenting. And what you need to do now is you need to contact me within 48 hours, either by using my email address, which is at the very bottom of the details and all of my videos, or you can reach out to me via Instagram and you can DM me. And my handle is Haute, Haute .modesty, MODESTY, and go ahead and send me a message and your address so that way I can get the journal out to you. And so, yeah, congratulations, and you're so going to enjoy this. And yeah, and there's going to be more in the future. I actually ordered, some more so that way I can give more to all my beautiful wildflowers in the future. But like I said, go ahead and contact me and get me your address, but you have to do it within 48 hours, okay? And I do get to the post office on the weekends. And so I'm going to try to get out there. Possibly I can go if they have the boxes open. I'll be able to go like on Friday maybe, okay? So, and with the holidays, it may take a little bit longer, but I do usually send it priority. So, alrighty. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you see the subscribe button, there's one just like that right below here. And make sure to ring the bell and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. And it does not matter unless you're Melissa, because you need to get in touch with me within 48 hours. Okay, so Now, what do I usually say? Yep, and I feel the roses. Be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Really want to open this box. You have no idea how much I want to open the rest of the advent calendar. And you know another thing? I bought an advent calendar chocolate and I totally forgot. It's still untouched. You think it'll stay till next year? Nah, I'll probably just donate it. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you very soon. And I will have to reveal on the Mask Monday. Oh yeah, Mask Monday giveaway too. So stay tuned for that. Okay? Love you all.